Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to create the Paris, Oslo, Lagos trend video which you see on TikTok. These videos are basically a person swiping towards the camera and you'll see different filters being applied and different names of the city. To create this video, let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover and search for Filter Switch. This should appear in the search results under Effects. It should look like this, so go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on other people's video and see how others have used this filter. If you don't see this effect in TikTok, then skip to the middle of this video or click on the card at the top, as I'll show you another alternative for it. When you're ready, then tap on Try this effect. So the aim of this video trend is to swipe at the camera as if you're changing the cities and the filters on the camera recording. Your timing needs to be correct, so make sure you go through some trial run. The sound is included with the filter, so you don't need to add any sound. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and record your video. And that is how to create the Paris, Oslo, Lagos trend video on TikTok. Now, for those of you who don't see this filter in TikTok, don't worry, I've got you. Open your Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign and switch over to story mode. Now swipe on the filters to all the way to the right. Then tap on browse. Then search for Paris, Oslo, Lagos. You should see the filter by Marco Loratelli. Tap on it and click on Try it. Once you're ready to go, hit the record button. Again, the sound is included on the filter, so just do your swiping and dancing. Once you're done with it, you can download the video and then post it to TikTok. And that is how to create the Paris, Oslo, Lagos trend video on Instagram for TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and enable bell notifications for future videos. Also make sure you hit the like button if you found this useful and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.